we finally have a clear look at DJI's first ever 360 camera, the Osmo 360. But it's actually pretty early to talk about the specs. That's why we will clarify the recent speculation about the video capabilities. So we will cover everything we know about the camera in this video, including the potential release date. Let's get into it. First of all, let's take a look at the design. From these new images, reposted by Quadro News, the camera looks a lot like the GoPro Max. We had already seen the shape from far away, but here we can see the quick release mount with adjustable tilt, but also the two main buttons, which will activate recording and navigate through modes, while on the right side above the SD card slot there's the power button. From previous leaks, the UI looked the same as other DJI action cameras, but the navigation system will apparently be different here. As for the sensor, some people are speculating about a 1-inch sensor and 5.7K recording, but no reliable sources have reported this information. The only one has just said it will be close to the X5 from Insta360, but we already expected that. As for the release date, since there are still no details on online stores, it's surely not coming soon. I personally expect it to be released towards the end of the year, but we'll surely know more in the coming months. For now, make sure you're subscribed to not miss the other leaks about tech and photography products, and drop a like if this video was helpful.